Hello there! In this video, we'll be talking about possessive nouns, what they are, how they work, and how you can use them in sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use possessive nouns confidently in your own writing and speaking. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a possessive noun? A possessive noun shows ownership or belonging. It tells us that something belongs to someone or something. We usually form possessive nouns by adding an apostrophe plus s or just an apostrophe in some cases. First, let's talk about singular possessive nouns. If you want to show that something belongs to one person, place, or thing, you simply add apostrophe s. Example of these are: this is Anna's book. The book belongs to Anna. The dog's tail is wagging. The tail belongs to the dog. So, whenever you want to show ownership for one, use apostrophe s. Now, what about plural possessive nouns? If a noun is plural and already ends in s, just add an apostrophe after the s. Examples: the student's classroom is big. The classroom belongs to the students. My parents' house is near the park. But if the plural noun does not end in s, you still add apostrophe s. An example of this: the children's toys are on the floor. The toys belong to the children. Sometimes, possessive nouns can be a little tricky. Let's look at some special cases. Singular nouns ending in s. You can add either apostrophe s or just an apostrophe, depending on style. This is James' car, or this is James' car. Compound nouns. Add the apostrophe s to the last word. My brother-in-law's car is new. Joint possession. If two people own the same thing, add apostrophe s to the last name. This is Tom and Jerry's show. Separate possession. If they own different things, add apostrophe s to both names. This is Tom's book and that is Jerry's book. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes when using possessive nouns. Mistake number 1: confusing possessive nouns with plurals. The cats are sleeping. Plural, no apostrophe. The cat's toy is missing. Possessive, toy belongs to the cat. Mistake number 2: using apostrophes in possessive pronouns. Remember, words like yours, hers, theirs do not need an apostrophe. The dog wagged its tail. This one is correct. The dog wagged its tail. This is incorrect because the it means it is. Let's practice. I'll say some sentences, and you tell me in your mind which words are the possessive nouns. That is my teacher's desk. The boys' team won the game. We visited the children's playground. Did you spot him? Great job! The possessive nouns were teachers, boys, and children's. So, to recap our lesson, possessive nouns show ownership. Add apostrophe s for singular nouns, and for plural nouns ending in s, just add an apostrophe. Be careful with special cases and common mistakes. Now, it's your turn. Write a sentence with a possessive noun in the comments below. I'll check them out. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about possessive nouns. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!